Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hit the button below there and subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to review about I purchased my GoPro 12.
Damn!
So let's get to the video. Let me show you how to connect and how it works.
Oh my god! Wow!
So guys, let's unbox this box. It looks like this one. I already unsealed. I purchased at this price, 2,519 area. Okay. So I already removed this seal because I was checking some stuff. So, okay. This is how they package, because for me, I make sure that I purchase the full GoPro with all the equipment inside. So let's check what is inside. So after we open, you're going to find a QR code. This one I think we are going to use it when we are connecting our GoPro, connecting to the phone. But let's put this first aside. So this is how they pack. For me, I already informed you that I already opened it before, but when you're purchasing it, it's already covered with some sticker for the camera, so it will be different the way mine it is. But this is how it looks. We have a battery. I'll put it there. Have a light. Proper. So now I'll show you how we are going to connect. Have this one. Yeah, accessories. I don't know. Yeah, we're going to connect it. And then we have now our GoPro camera. GoPro camera is here. GoPro 12. So, okay, put there. Then we have this one over there. Then when we open, we have another some accessories here inside. See how cover for the mic. Have all of these two Type-C cables and some other accessories if you want to connect to your diving. Okay, guys, let's get to the video and connect it. Then I'm going to show you how you're going to connect it. Okay, guys, let's connect our GoPro. Let's first use our GoPro. We need to fix the battery first. First thing, we can put the SD card. This is my SD card. We have a port here where you're supposed to put your SD card. Let me put it there. Squeeze it inside. It's already inside. Then I take my battery. I lock in. Now the battery is already inside. Now we need to remove this one so we can change. We put this one. So we just press it down. Now we need to remove this one. Open it so we can install this one. So one day, push it down. Make sure you push it down. Open. Then automatic it will open. Then because we need to remove this one, this one is like magnetic, we can remove it. So you just use it here, pin it outside. Yeah. Then we can install this one. Same in the corner here, push it down, open it. Here we have a Type-C cable. So make sure the cell that you open connected inside direct, so it can connect direct to the Type-C. So let's connect. Is it inside? Okay. Now it's already inside there. Below this. There is the same function. You can on. Okay. Now this is the mic. So we have a mic cover. You can squeeze it inside first. Yeah. Perfect. Then we have a light here. So from here up, you can connect it. We need to connect this one. I'll go down there. Let's do it. Okay. Then the box. Let's take our GoPro. So now the GoPro is ready to work. So also if you want to do draw, you can do it. And mostly if you purchase the GoPro then when you connect it, then like this one. So it's more easier. You can handle it here like this one. You squeeze it. Then you can have a nice shape. You can have a nice shape to do your drawing. And also you can adjust here the way you want it. You can adjust from there. Yeah. We have a GoPro. You can start doing a vlog. And also we have a Type C. We have a Type C. Yeah. This GoPro you can connect this side. So let's get it back. Yeah. And we have a full functioning GoPro. Okay guys, this is my GoPro. Thanks for watching my video.